Good morning. So, very last day here in Stockholm, and our flight will be in 4 hours. We're eating some cup noodles. We're eating cup noodles just to warm up our stomach before we go to the airport. Anyway, ito pala yung room namin. So, I rented just a single room sa Airbnb, and this is how it looks like. Maluwang naman siya actually. We have our drawer here, some utensils, couch, window, big mirror, and the bed. Stockholm is so fun. And now we're off again to another city. And see you all there. I hope it's going to be the same as fun here in Stockholm. And yeah, we're just going to the airport now para habulin ng aming flight at 11:50. The time now is 8:30 something. See you again soon, maybe, or not too soon.
A few moments later.
Your baggage unattended.
Currently in
Unattended baggage will be removed.
Stockholm airport, flying to Helsinki today. I'm just trying to go around the airport and see what I can see. And I kind of feel like this airport is a little bit old na. Pero looks good. This is the aircraft that's going to bring me to Helsinki, Finland today. Yay! I'm not sure which one is it, but I think it's a Boeing. Yeah, it's a Boeing aircraft. This is it. Where are we going next?
Helsinki.
Oh, this side. Going to our plane. Baka business class yung isa. Maganda nga yun kasi magkahiwalay na, right? Lapa ba tayo? Maglalakad kami sa airplane. Oh my god! This is so amazing! Woo! 737-800. And we are sitting at the back of the plane. I just hope na yung mga flight attendant nila is hindi maingay katulad ng British Airways. But it's weird because look at this. It says Boeing 737-800 and Boeing 737 MAX 8, but the one that went on actually was the MAX, so I think we're okay. Cross our fingers. We should be okay. As usual, wala naman kaming katabi eh. Maluwang yung aircraft na yon, so bale paayos. Almost there.
25 minuuttia päällä Helsinkiin. Ollaan olemassa 13.55 paikalla saa Helsingissä on sitten pakkasella.
Welcome to Helsinki. I just landed here in Helsinki and ang lamig. Oh my god.
A few moments later.
Nasa loob kami ngayon ng train papunta ng Helsinki and amoy tayo ng kabayo. Taran! Oh. I bought this card para makasakay kami sa mga transpo nila dito sa Helsinki Unlimited. This is valid for 72 hours and it's going to be a fun field trip again. And kasama na rin dito yung mga entrances sa mga attraction nila. So it's worth 79 euros. We'll see if it's ma-maximize namin yung time namin using this card.
A few moments later.
So we just arrived here in our Airbnb and it looks amazing. Mabait yung may-ari ng bahay. She was in contact with me all throughout the trip from Stockholm to Helsinki because sabi ko, we're on the way. And para lang siyang small apartment pero very stylish. Here, we have our cleaning room. Well, we're not gonna clean anyway. We have our own bathroom. Not too big, but it's good enough. We have our shower there, sink, small mirror, then we have something here, I don't know, and they have this kind of key. It's awesome. And we have this is a couch with my sister. And then this is the bed, a big one, a huge bed. And there we go. That we have our own window, some wine glasses, some maps, and things that we can read. Note for the owner, some plans in here, and then a small kitchen. We have our own small kitchen. Oh, there's some stuff here too. Coffee and tea, awesome. And some microwave, fridge. Oh, there's egg. And yeah, that's it.
A few moments later.
Today We took the tram and we're not sure where we're gonna go, pero we just took it. We have unlimited pass, so whatever direction it will lead us, we're just gonna go as it is. Arrived in Helsinki, pero dead man na ang OOTD for now. Ang lamig, putek.
I don't understand.
Our Airbnb has a packet Wi-Fi, so we feel better this time. Hindi na kami maliligaw. I hope makakapaglibot na kami, mas mabilis mag-search. Hindi na kami pupunta sa McDonald's or any restaurants na may Wi-Fi. Mas mabilis na rin mag-upload ng mga videos sa Instagram and everything. So far, maganda din dito sa Helsinki. And we're just trying to roam around for now, and maybe tomorrow we're gonna explore na yung totoong explore na. Hindi na niya kinakaya yung lamig. Tigil siya ng tigil. We are currently my Senate Square here in Helsinki, and we'll see whatever we can see from here. Ooh. Ganda. You can go here. It's okay. Kahit malamig, ang ganda dito. Puntahan natin si Ateng. Lalapit ako kay Ateng. Ganda. Tawag nila sa taxi. Taxi.
Sa Malaysia taxi, no?
Malaysia taxi.
Dito taxi.
Senate Square.
Alayig!
Ano yan? Nakita mo parang nasa heaven ka.
Parang nasa heaven, putik.
Oh my God. Kidding me?
Parang alam mo yung palasyo ng bigat, gano'n. Holiday!
Maganda sa Stockholm. Pero in fairness, lumalaban ng Helsinki. Maybe we can take some bikes some other time.
Amsterdam.
We have time. Yeah, maybe we're gonna take biking in Amsterdam one day. My nose are red na. I'm turning into Rudolph.
Holiday!
Ano to? Parang wala lang naman, girl. Nakalock. Ay, bukas.
Ito naman, kanina putik-putik. Ito parang rusty.
Ang gadin dito eh. Oh!